Assalamu alaikum students and a very good morning to all of you. This is me Sadra Hassan from the Crescent School. Students, we are doing a chapter of fraction and today we will learn that how to find out the equivalent fraction. Yesterday we have also done that how to find out the equivalent fraction. If I will ask you that find out the 8 equivalent fraction or 4 equivalent fraction of the given fraction. Today we will learn that how to simplify the fraction, right? And I will also tell one thing that, for example, if I have given you a figure that, and I will say you that shade to show the equal part of fraction. Yes, shade to show equivalent fraction. And I have given you a number 3 by 4 and given you this figure that shade this figure and the number is 3 by 4. Then what will you do? Because you know that if I am giving you a number 3 by 4, so what will you do? That you know that the denominator total parts come, right? So these are the total part, right? And in numerator the shaded part come. So here the shaded part is 3. But you have seen that there are so many fractions in this diagram and they are saying that shade the 3 by 4. Shade to show the equivalent fraction. So what will you do? First you will find out the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4, right? So what will I do? I will count the bars. For example, in this bar, I will count the fractions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 total parts, right? And how many are the, what will be the numerator? Now, how will I find out the numerator, that how much part I will shade it? When 12 comes in the table of 4, right? Or 4 is multiplied by which number to get 12? I have to find the secret number. So 4 3s are 12, right? If something is multiplying or dividing in denominator, then it will be multiplying or dividing in numerator also. So as 4 is multiplied by 3 in denominator, it will be multiplied with 3 with numerator also. So 3 3s are 9. That means that I have to shade 9 parts in this figure. Is it easy? It seems very interesting, right? So these are the 9 parts and I have shaded these 9 parts, right? I've not shaded properly. You have to shade it properly. Okay, girls? Okay, now, for example, I have given them this number and this number is 4 by 5 and 4 by 5 is equal to 10. Okay, 10 is in the denominator and here I have to find the missing fraction, right? That what is the missing number? I have to find the missing number. So how will I find the missing number? What will come over there? I know that how 10 comes. 5 2s are 10, right? If it is multiplying by 2 in denominator, then it will be multiplied by 2 in numerator also, and 4 2s are 8. So my answer will be 8. It will be 8 by 10. Got it? So you know that here we are doing multiplication, but equivalent fraction can also be determined by dividing, right? Whenever the word comes simplify, right? Simplify means that you have to divide. Simplification means that you have to divide. Simplification is the that you are bringing the fraction in its simplest form. Means the numerator and denominator cannot be divided further, right? For example, if the number given is 4 by 6, then how to bring it into more simplest form, right? 4 by 6, you have to find out in which number both of these table come, right? In finding the equivalent fraction, you are multiplying the number in numerator and with the same number with denominator, right? But in division, it is slightly tricky as every number cannot be divided. Sometimes it happens that, for example, here 6 can be divided by 3, but 4 cannot be divided by 3, so we cannot go for 3. 6 can be divided by 2 and 4 can be divided by 2. Both of these numbers are divisible by 2, so we can go for 2, right? As you know that we have two do same things with numerator and denominator. Either we are doing multiplying or in we divide, and we have to multiply or divide with the same number also, right? So here 4 divided by 2, 2s are 4, so I will write 2 here. 2 3s are 6, so I will write 3 here. And in the same way, if it is 6 divided by 8, then how can I simplify it? 6 comes in the table of 2 and 3. 8 comes in the table of 2 and 4. So I will go for 2, right? Because 2 is divisible with both of these numbers, right? So 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. So I will write 3 by 4 over there. Got it? I hope that you have understand and enjoy the video. If you are having any misunderstanding or anything that seems difficult, then see the video again and do some practice. Okay, girls, stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.